So I just wanted to share something with you. So after I finished my video and my husband just happened to decide to sit in the room, he said to me, I hope you're going to redo that because that was just awful. And I'm like, what? But let me just say to you, if you feel like he does, I apologize. And let me know down below. I don't have any problem telling him, oh, you know what, you were right. But my thing is this. I could redo it. However, there's no way, knowing what I know now after opening this here with you, that you would have gotten the same emotion. I'm sorry, I'm not an actress, so I really would not have been able to fake how I felt about what I saw. So it was just plain raw emotion, and I apologize if you think it's awful like he does. But like I said, if you do, let me know down below. I will not hold it against anybody, okay? I just want to know how you feel, okay? Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video for today, as you see in our description, we will be unboxing our first BOXYCHARM Plus Boost box, okay? I'm kind of excited about this one because this is the first box since the merger, okay? Actually, since the complete merger, they have now become one company, okay? So, even though I'm saying this is BOXYCHARM Plus Boost, it's in an IPSY box, but I promise you that's what it's supposed to be, okay? So for those of you who are not familiar with the new setup, I will leave all the information down below, okay? So I'm kind of excited. All right, now I'm gathering, because it is so late in the month that I have received my box, it's because I had quite a few points, like $85 worth of points that were expiring on the 3rd of this month. Okay, so I needed to go in and get some items so I didn't lose my points. So that's why we'll do something else about the points later on. Not real thrilled about the choices that we have, but nonetheless. So when I open up my box, what? Okay, we have a problem, and this isn't even Houston. But let me just show you what I have. So when I open up the box, this says April 2023, BOXYCHARM by IPSY. Same great subscription you know and love, now with more perks than ever. This is what's on the top. Do you see how water splotched this is? Clearly something has leaked on it, or they pulled this from the bottom of the barrel, okay? So when you see what I see, you'll understand why I'm kind of feeling the way I'm feeling right now. Nonetheless, this is about, I thought, the items that would be inside. However, that is not the case. This just gives you more information about the new merger setup, okay? So that's this. Now, as I stated, this is supposed to be my BOXYCHARM Plus Boost box. Now, I pay a flat fee for my BOXYCHARM, but because I add the boost onto it, it's an additional cost. That's about $15 extra, okay? Now, I'm just gonna show you right now what's in this box. What is this? What is this? What is this? Okay. A Haba smoothing hand cream, superfood, kale, and turmeric. I recognize this. this was one of the items I used my points to get. Okay, nonetheless, it's a, I'm sorry, I'm kind of having a moment. I really am having a moment. Like I said, this is one of the items I used my points for. Now, this is not one of the items that was offered for this month, and I know for certain that it's not, because as you know, or even if you did it, I'm going to let you know right now, we get a description of everything that would have been in our box. This was not it, okay? But like I said, I used my points for this. Then there is a vintage cashmere lip pencil in the shade Mocha. This is the shade on the top, okay? Another item I used my points to get. Now, under normal circumstances, I would open it and swatch it and show you what the shade, I'm sorry, my hand is shaking, and show you what it looked like. But I know I'm going to have to contact them. So with that being said, we'll come back later on, I promise, and we'll open and swatch things. The last item in this box is, oh wow, now I know what was leaking. The micellar water. Okay, this is the reason why. Actually, I don't, well, it must have dripped out because it was still sealed. But it's a liquid, so it would come out through the cracks or whatever. This is the Radiant Micellar. I'm sorry, the Radiant Micellar water, okay? I'm sorry, it's a 6.7 fluid ounce size. Okay, and this was the other item I used my points for. Guess what? This is the shortest unboxing I have ever done. The box is empty. That's it. That's it. So my question is, where's my BOXYCHARM Base Box Plus Boost? Let me tell you something. This is not a very good start to, what do they call it? Gorgeous Together. Same great subscription you know and love, now with more perks than ever. Okay, I can't even get my basic box. How am I expected to feel about getting perks? But what I will do, so that you can see why I'm feeling some kind of way, other than the fact that I paid for something that I did not get, I'm going to put a picture up here and show you exactly what was supposed to be in this month's BOXYCHARM Plus Boost box. I don't know what else to say. At least not about this. So, what I will tell you is, right now, I do have a giveaway that's going on my channel. If you are subscribed, make sure you go and take a look at the video. I will post that link up above, and it's an ode to our mothers and or being a mom. Okay, it's a wonderful 3-in-1 giveaway. So there will be 3 winners, and I just want to encourage you to go and check out the video. If you like what you see, go ahead and participate. Okay, if you like what you see and you are not subscribed, guess what? You're either going to have to subscribe or you're going to have to pass. Okay, so I just want to tell you, I thank you so very much for spending time with me on today as we unboxed whatever this was. Okay, so remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.